Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hoover washing machine, HNL2126. I'm going to show you today how to check the lint filter, which is down on the bottom. Typically, you take off a fascia that's missing on this one. If you're going to take it off, get a screwdriver or a knife, push it in and flip it out, and that pops the fascia off. Do it across the front, 3 points at the top or something like that, and it'll open up. Then in here you've got the filter. And this is different. Most of them just unscrew like a big long screw. This one twists about a quarter turn, I'd say, and then pulls out. So you don't try and keep unscrewing it because it won't come out. You've got to twist it and pull. This one's quite clean. If it was dirty, you'd clean it, and then you put it back in, and it'll only fit in one way, the way it came out. So you put it in that way. I'll show you that. If you try and put it in any other way, it won't go in. Put it in the way it came out, and twist it back, roughly a quarter turn, maybe a little bit more, and that's it. Job done. Any questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.